My zoological for us is Kia. Like they said, P and G have no.
No.
Well, what SSI say? What's the cheeseburger say?
Nope, they don't say.
They have no say.
You got yourself a lighter?
Huh?
You got yourself a lighter?
Lighter?
Lighter.
I couldn't hear
A lighter, you got yourself a lighter, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Trying to stop yelling at me. Listening to the Beatles.
Yep.
There's things. You guys must smoke a little bit. Who taught me that? I don't know. Smoke a little bit of the butts of those. And then they say, sit for like a butterfly. Ew. Is that my fault this time?
No.
Whatever, right?
Yeah.
Me?
No, them.
I love my husband though.
Oh, my.
Man, I feel my boobs are too big to fit in this. Like, ouch. We're gonna get more beer.
Later on today.
No, Daddy.
Oh, today. Check with Paul.
That's what they were wondering about me at the office. Checking with her, that's not what I'll take over, like, not being what I was. That's all. Actually, what she did for me at the office helped.
Yep.
Well, how was their fault for the man next door to the bar?
It's not.
All of these fruits. I get nervous sometimes. I get freaked out sometimes. I get nervous. Let's have no school phone. Please don't trust them.
I'm not.
I know you're not. I do know what you mean.
Sort out the cost before you take it.
I should know it costs enough.
I know. I'm just saying if you had to, I don't know.
I guess the world don't need to.
No.
I'm gonna put it out. That was like half and half.
Yeah.
Half coffee, half cream. You know what? Yeah.